Hello, and welcome back to English from the Ground Up. My name is Kenzo, and in this video, you will acquire English naturally by watching, listening, and following along as I play Minecraft Hardcore. So far, in this series, we've survived 65 days. Let's go outside. I have something to show you. Open. First of all, I planted some bamboo on the roof of the barn, and I bred some more animals. I bred more chickens and a bunch more yellow sheep. I needed a lot of yellow wool for this, the supporter wall. I built this during my last live stream. I'm going to be live streaming on this channel each week, and each week I'll build something new, like this supporter wall. Let's go over to the wall. On this wall, I'm going to say thank you to my supporters on Ko-Fi. I'm going to write the names of my supporters on this wall using signs. Ooh, I need some ladders. Let's go back home and pick up some ladders real quick. Ladder, a ladder. Let's build 12 ladders. Oh, the sun's going down. Let's sleep. All right, day 66. I got my ladders. I'm going to go up to the top of my wall, and I'm going to write the first names. Let's place some ladders. Ladders. Okay, and let's crouch. I'm crouching. Now let's get our sign, and I'm going to place the sign. Uh-oh. I'm going to get some dirt, and I'll place some dirt right here. Now let's climb up. Okay. Big thank you to these supporters. You are the first supporters on my supporter wall. The bamboo is growing. Let's go inside. I did a poll on my channel about what I should name this happy ghast. Let's look at the results. It looks like Dementor and Egbert both got the most thumbs up. So I'm going to choose Dementor because Egbert is obviously a chicken. Minecraft has just been updated, and now you can craft name tags. N-A-M-E-T-A-G, name tag. To craft a name tag, you need 1 paper and 1 golden nugget. That's easy. Let's craft some name tags. We don't have any golden nuggets, so let's get this raw gold and let's smelt it. There we go, that's smelting. Now, let's get some paper. Ooh, I don't have any paper either. All right. Let's go get some sugarcane. Sugarcane. Let's pick up all this sugarcane. And I'm going to plant some more. All right, now let's build some paper. Paper. Here we go. We made 18 pieces of paper. Now let's get our gold ingots, and let's turn these gold ingots into gold nuggets. Gold nuggets. There we go. I made 9 gold nuggets. So now, with 1 gold nugget and 1 paper, we can craft name tags. Let's craft 1 name tag. Now we have our name tag, but in order to write Dementor on this name tag, we need an anvil. And look at our resources. We're running out of resources. I only have 4 diamonds left. I only have 3 iron ingots. I need to find more resources. So I'm going to put my stuff away, and then I'm going to go on an adventure. I'm going to go underground and look for more diamonds and iron. Let's craft some torches. Okay, I have 36 torches. I have some food. Okay, I think I have everything that I'll need. It's nighttime, so let's go to sleep. And in the morning, we'll go on an adventure. All right, it's morning. Day 67. Oh, a zombie that's wearing golden armor. Die, die, die. Another thing that they changed in this Minecraft update is how the baby animals look. Watch. Look. Look at the little baby. They changed the way the baby chickens look. And now the sheep. Let's breed these sheep. And let's look at the new baby sheep. Aww. It's eating. Let's breed these cows. And let's look at the new baby cow. There it is. Now let's get our carrots. And let's breed some pigs. And let's look at the baby pig. And there's a lot of other new baby creatures that they added in this update. Let's get out of here. Open the gate, close. All right, let's go on an adventure. I'm going to look for a cave that's nearby. Let's swim across this water. Swim, swim. Ooh, there's an underwater cave. Let's explore around this jungle. Ooh, there's a parrot. The parrots love seeds. Let's give the seeds to this parrot. Come here, parrot. Do you want some seeds? Oh, there are two birds. Come here, parrot. Oh, there we go. We tamed the parrot. And let's tame this bird too. There we go. This bird only took 2 seeds to tame. Okay, we tamed 2 parrots. Wait. Look. The parrots are on my shoulders. My parrots. Tell me what I should name these parrots in the comments below. The comments with the most likes will get chosen. What should I name these parrots? I'm looking for a cave in this jungle. The beach. Wait. I'm close to home. I think my house is just this way. Yep, there's my house. All right, we're back home. Where are the parrots? Come here, bird. Stay here. Stay. Okay, now this bird will stay. Where's the parrot? Is it on my shoulder? No. Oh, there it is. Stay. Okay, now these birds will stay here. I don't want these birds to get killed because I'm going underground. Now, let's find a cave. I don't have to worry about getting lost because I have my lodestone compass. I love this lodestone compass. It's my favorite. Oh, I'm leaving the jungle? Hold on, let me get my spyglass. I think that's another village. Yeah, there's another village over there. Ooh! These are firefly bushes. Can I pick them up using shears? Yes, I can. Let's pick up these firefly bushes. I love fireflies. Whoa. It looks like there's a huge cave over by the village. A huge cave. Look at this. Let's go down this waterfall. Oop. I'll eat a carrot. I need to be very careful. I see some coal. Whoa. Okay, this place is huge. I see some redstone. I see some redstone. I see a creeper. I see some copper. Let's keep descending. Okay. I want that redstone. I'm going to mine this redstone. Alright, I picked up 13 redstone dust. There's a zombie. Let's kill this zombie. Die. Die. And I'll place a torch. Ooh. A creeper exploded. Another zombie. Die, zombie. Lots of monsters in this cave. Diamonds! Okay, let's kill these monsters. Hopefully those skeletons stay away. And I'm going to mine these diamonds. 1, 2. Uh-oh. What? No! Okay, I'm going to wait here for the skeleton. Die, skeleton! So many monsters. Any more diamond here? Die. I'm going to place torches all around. Die, skeleton. Die. I've gotten much better at fighting monsters, especially the skeletons. Alright, we found more diamonds. Okay. I think that's 4 diamonds in total. 4 diamonds. Any more? No. Alright. Well, that's a great start. We've already found 4 diamonds. Here's more redstone. I'm almost to level 30. I just need a little bit more XP. Oh, I think I see some iron. I'm gonna mine this iron. Just 1 piece. Just 1 iron. And there's some more iron. I'll mine this iron. Again, just 1 piece of iron. Ooh, my diamond pickaxe is almost broken. Uh-oh. Oh, there's an Enderman. Die, Enderman. Die, die. 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 I killed the Enderman. The Enderman can't go in the water, so I was safe. Let's keep exploring. Ooh, more monsters. A zombie and a skeleton. Die. Die, zombie, die. And a skeleton with copper armor. Oh, I see diamonds! I see diamonds down there. Die, skeleton. Diamonds. Wow, look at all these monsters. I'm going to push these monsters into the lava. Die. Ha! I pushed the zombie into the lava. Alright. First, I'll collect this redstone. The zombie took my redstone. I killed it. Okay, now let's mine these diamonds. Hopefully there's a lot. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there's at least 3 here. Any more? No. Well, we found 3 more diamonds. Now we have 7 diamonds in total. I'm swimming up the waterfall. I'm going up to the surface. And I'm getting out of this cave. I'll place a torch. Oh, that's a skeleton. Oh, I was really worried that that skeleton was going to push me down there. I'm going to jump into this waterfall. Jump! And I'll swim upward. Almost there. Swim, swim. All right. And we've reached the surface. So far, we've found some diamonds, but only 2 iron. We need to find more iron so we can build the anvil. Any iron in this village? Let's look around. More firefly bushes? Let's pick them up. Anything in this barrel? Nope. Anything up here? Nope. A bucket. I'll take the bucket. And the bread. And a bundle? Oh. Okay. So you can put things in the bundle. More carrots. I'll take some carrots. And I'll eat some. There's an iron golem. Should I kill the iron golem for the iron? No, no. I'm not going to kill the iron golem. Anything in here? Nope. Anything in here? A chest with some leather armor and a saddle. I'll take the saddle. Anything in here? Nope. Okay, I'm going to leave the village. By the way, if you're enjoying these videos and if you'd like to practice speaking English with me directly, you could book a call with me on Google Meet or Tencent Meetings by clicking up here. I can see some waterfalls and some lava over there on the mountain. Uh-oh, the sun's going down. Pretty soon there will be monsters everywhere. It's getting darker. Is this a cave? Oh, let's go down here. I see some coal. I need some coal, so I'm gonna mine this coal. Oh, almost to level 30. I'm so close. There we go, level 30. Okay, when I get back to the house, I'm going to build a new diamond pickaxe, and I'm going to get a level 30 enchantment on it. Let's see, I found 21 coal. Any iron down here? Nope, no iron here. Let's go back up. Uh-oh. Skeletons and a creeper. The creeper exploded. Die. Oh, the skeletons killed the zombie. I'm blocking all these skeletons' shots with my shield. Uh-oh. Die. Die. Uh-oh. Die. Die. Oh. More. All right. Wow. Look at all those arrows. Look at all of those arrows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 arrows on the ground here. My shield's probably almost broken. Yeah. All right. I got out of the cave. Now I'm going to use my compass, and I'm going to head home. I think those are more firefly bushes. I'm going to go collect them. I'll get my shears. Let's pick them up. Okay, and now I'll run home. I found 8 firefly bushes. I'm running towards the beach. Oh, that skeleton is shooting at me, but I'm too fast for these skeletons. I'm too fast for the skeletons. Ah, there's the jungle. That means my home is close by. More firefly bushes. 2 more. So now I have 10. Okay, we're back to the jungle. Squids. There are 2 squids here. Oh, it started to rain. I can see my supporters sign. My yellow supporters sign. And I'm home. I'm home. Can I go to sleep? Can I sleep? Yes. I'm sleeping. And the rain stopped. Okay, and there are my birds, my new birds. Let's go inside and let's see what we found underground. We found 7 diamonds, 2 iron, 58 redstone dust, and most importantly, we found 10 firefly bushes. I'm going to plant these firefly bushes. I'll plant these firefly bushes around the barn. Like this. There we go. I planted all the firefly bushes. And I'm going to end this video right here. If you're enjoying these videos, you could make a donation to help support this channel on my Ko-Fi page by clicking up here. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.